Although gCADPlus comes with many rather elaborate planting symbols, it is possible to, and some designers prefer it this way, to use very simple symbols, blocks, such as the ones you see here. This particular block is just a block called 600 shrub. This one here is one called 600 tussock. So as long as the symbols are simple and they have a block name, you can use some of the automated tools that you'll find under plant schedules and lists to view a plant list or show symbols or use it for a plant label. So some designers prefer, as in this case, to run the SmartLabel tool, and we're asked to select the symbol. This one here has been assigned to Brachycomb multifeeder, which is a ground cover plant. We're asked to hit the enter key. Are we going to tag these three with a line? So where do we want our line to start? And we can go from there to there and hit enter for the next step. The height 150, and do we want to pick up the code? Yes, we do. And the botanical name, no. Common name, no. And do we want it to count? And so we've labelled one example of Brachycomb multifeeder. Let's erase that, because what you might want to do is a count. So if we ran that SmartLabel tool again, the prompt says select the symbol or adjacent copies of the same symbol. So we'll pick all four symbols that we're going to use in this design to represent that Brachycomb species. Hit enter. We're going to label with a line or a leader. We'll stick to line, and we just snap from midpoint to midpoint, come out here, indicate, hit enter, 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 enter. Remember, it's the prompts from the previous occasion, unselect all. So now we've got a label. We can adjust a little bit if we need to, but we have a label running and locating and doing the count for us at the same time. Now we can still generate the automatic plant schedule, which will put the symbol in if needed, and the label. If you run the custom symbol, you can produce a symbol in any way you like. But individual designers will want to label things in different ways. You can see this designer prefers this system of labeling for BM, in this case, just the abbreviation. Now the abbreviations come from the edit plant list. Here you can see the code is put in the fourth column, common name and botanical name. So when we run the schedule, we can nominate, we'll have botanical name, common name. We would not use type, but we might pick up the code. So there are various ways of generating the schedule. But what I'm trying to show here is that you can use very simple design, symbols, or we come over here, we could use much more elaborate symbols for indicating planting. It's entirely up to you as to which system you use. gCADPlus enables you to use a multiplicity of different labelling and scheduling methods.